screen right now. Thunderstorm warnings in effect. That's for the whole block.
All right.
Here, this is,
we just lost cable for a second, guys, so we got back on.
But in the middle of that line, we're also seeing some evidence of a...
Oh, you see that?
As, evidence by
Tree went just fell over there. Hold on. Hold on. Right in front of us, right there. Ooh, damn, get away from that damn window. There's a tornado right top of us right now.
In Elkhart between now and 9 and 3. I believe have any conference.
10,000 foul record right now.
We are looking at here, however, is a strong signature on Doppler radar that we are dealing with a possible rotation. Let's see if we can see anything from our sky cam.
Right now, 10,000 people off the record in South Bend. And still rising.
What we're looking at here is
that's box right there. I don't know you guys can see it.
Like the parking lot of the old hospital there.
But it was a spark right there.
Let's see. Go south. Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you, Eric. National Weather Service McCoy reported sustained winds of 60 miles per hour for 10 minutes in LaPorte County, gusts to 90. And that's with this line that's over St. Joseph County.
On the back.
We talked about this earlier. This is what we call a bow echo.
It's a bow echo, it said on it. So I sit back on it. I didn't get no wet. Did I get any wet slide? No. They're locked. We don't want to use the doors. They're saying 15,000 foul record. 15,000 still rising. Power flashes, power flashes. We almost lost it. We almost lost it. We almost lost the record. We almost lost it. That was a boat right there. Bam! Boat. Oh, I don't know what that hit, but that's gotta be a fake. That has to be a epic storm. Now this we might lose the record. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, this. Now since trees are down back there on Friday, and they got some cut off the lines in our area, we won't lose it. We got a 65% chance of success on electricity. And it's rising, I think. Whoa! That's how I gotta stay back. Now, I don't know what the fuck did I bomb. I don't believe that. So many fans, that's what this means. Name me 21 in this area. Some part of this tree right here fell. On Friday, now a little bit of this side fell. That happened on Friday. Now this is Wednesday. This is the second round. And we might be success. We might be lucky tonight. I thought we might lose the record this one, but it looks like to me that we might not. The last 21 issue was 2 months ago. I should look up because that's where the lightning's at. So this serial you can't use that. This, not this one because I lost it. I don't know where I put it. But this is the second scene. Scene 1, take 3. This is a third take actually. I got some good lightning right here. Good lightning. Good lightning. 600 a second. I don't see a tornado out there, guys. I got my crap downstairs just in case. And let's say that we might not have a 12. Whoa! Lightning strike! I wish these should ice is off right now. We don't want to lose a record. $20,000 to say we lose a record. 20,000 still rising. I'm so sweet. I know. I don't know how you guys can get it.
Right here in jsut County, in DeKalb
Right
County,
top of us.
I hate to say this, but it seems like subtle signs that maybe the shut this door together. That would be terrific news. Still packing quite a punch.
You're going to shut the door when it's over?
Just reported from our newsroom that,
yep.
Well, you can shut it when he's done.
Not a big deal, looks like almost.
Yeah, I think it's, I don't think we're going to get killed or anything.
No, we're not going to lose anything. We're cool. Just got lucky. Again. We just got lucky. Friday, we wasn't lucky on Friday. We got lucky again on Sunday. But Monday, we are lucky. We might be lucky again. Yep, we might be lucky. Winds are slowing down, and I got lots of lightning coming up.
For northwest St. Joseph County, we got an eyewitness report that the winds are high, but not as high as last Friday. These storms.
See? You know what it is?
Like they're quite as bad as
These storms ain't as bad as last Friday.
Of a tree down in parts of South Bend.
Yeah.
The red's almost gone.
Yeah, the red is actually a different story.
No, the red's almost gone.
I know, we're lucky. We got lucky, we didn't lose anything. Trying was we put on the ground New Buffalo, but looks like it's not there anymore. She'd be fine.
I went in there to talk to her and her eyes just rolled back in her head. She pooped.
Alright, Rick, well, we are getting another report.
I don't know where it comes from, but he wasn't there a while back.
On the east side of South Bend. This was just near the same area that we reported earlier that had the trees in the home. So we're asking you to please stay away from your windows. I know our scanners are just pretty much blowing up and they're just kind of telling us everything that's going on out there. So another report just kind of reaffirming how strong these winds are.
Looks like
I know that the trees are even vulnerable from Friday.
we're about to be over soon. We're lucky.
Aren't holding up as strong as they did due to the fact that we just
there was a tornado warning in Chicago.
Well, so
blew out some windows.
Updating you as much
it's the same kind of storm like we got.
Like South Bend, that's where we're hearing a lot of activity right now.
Okay, good. That's where
South Bend with a lot of activity.
Have a possible tornado, or at least possible rotation too.
It's rotation from the cloud.
5 minutes, we're starting to see some. Continue to see some bowling with this line, not only in St. Joseph County, but into Marshall and Stark counties as well. This is an indication of strong gusty winds, and this is where we have the severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect for Stark and Marshall County, now into Kosciuszko County, Cass County as well, not doing especially well in this storm.
If you get a tornado warning, doesn't matter where you live, make sure you get your important stuff downstairs. You never know, we might have a tornado hit our house. I thought this video was the last day. For me, we're not. Let's go.
23rd, I think it was, and that's River Park, and that's where we're seeing the indications of rotation. Certainly some strong gusty winds with these storms that will continue to progress.
Somebody's always got to be the trees.
Here, it's done that for a few minutes, but
trees might be falling down anywhere.
Getting dark and it's starting to get windy in your backyard and not going to take cover. This storm right here is pretty some damage.
What the hell do you think's in your backyard?
It's moving from Walker-Rooster now at 9.
I said if you're in your backyard, who the hell's in their backyard?
Also continuing into Elkhart County. If you watch
That's
this.
Stay tuned for no updates.